Your smartphone has your whole life on it. It's your point of connection to the people and the world around you. It's also an incredibly powerful computer. The speed and power of our smartphones rarely hold us back, but the small screens and limited interface often do. That's why we created the Superbook, a simple plug-and-play device that turns your Android smartphone into a beautiful laptop computer. Just connect your phone to the Superbook using a USB cable. The Superbook provides the keyboard, multi-touch trackpad, and display, and your smartphone brings the computing power, along with your files and apps. And of course, the Superbook can use your smartphone's data, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity. The Superbook has over 8 hours of battery life, and it even charges your smartphone. It works with all modern Android devices, and it's future-proof. When you get a new smartphone, it'll still work with your Superbook. It's like getting a brand new laptop every time you upgrade. Starting at just $99, the Superbook is a fraction of the cost of a traditional laptop and is even more convenient. Hi, I'm Andrew, co-founder of Andromium, makers of the Superbook. I was frustrated with having such a powerful smartphone, but with an interface designed purely for mobile use. Our goal with the Superbook is to eliminate the restrictions that hold smartphones back. The software side of the Superbook is Andromium, an app that makes Android function like a familiar desktop operating system. You get a mouse cursor, keyboard shortcuts, desktop class browsing, and easy file management. Everything is intuitive and optimized for productivity. There's no custom firmware to install and no technical knowledge needed. Simply download the app from the Play Store and connect to your Superbook. You can use one of our native apps or any of the millions of Android apps in the Play Store. We're also introducing an open SDK to enable developers to add Andromium optimization to their apps. We've already released a beta version of Andromium in the Play Store, where it's received hundreds of thousands of downloads and extremely positive reviews. We've been developing the Superbook and Andromium for over a year, and we're excited to finally release them. Our prototypes are complete, and we're ready to move into full production. We're looking for your support to help us make this new kind of computing a reality. The Superbook is just the beginning, and we're excited for you to be a part of it. Thanks for your support.
The simple things that we take for granted are often where opportunities are hidden. Unseen potential. Since when were our phones more than phones? And when did our computers become part of us? It's time our cars became smarter too. Enter Car IQ, an innovative blend of software and hardware linked via the cloud. Just connect the Car IQ device to your car and you are immediately connected to your car via your smartphone. Then, using the Car IQ app, you can now access all the data from your car. All of this is linked via the cloud, so you're always connected to your car no matter where you are. You are now ready to use all of Car IQ's features. When exploring our cities, we often come across places that we just have to revisit. Car IQ uses global positioning to keep track of not only your location, but also the routes you take and the places you go. So when you find the sites that you want others to see, share drives, paths, and even maps. Relationships are all about the little details. It's the subtle things that make a difference in the long run. Car IQ helps you nurture a relationship with your car by showing you the little things that mean a lot. It gives you feedback on your driving to maximize mileage and engine longevity. The data you now have access to is exactly what you need to optimize your car's performance. Traveling long distances, for some of us, is part of daily life. Car IQ gathers detailed information from your car's ECU and keeps you updated regarding your car's condition. It sends you alerts and service reminders that help prevent unforeseen problems with your car. So when you have to go the distance, you'll never have to wonder whether your car is ready. It always will be. Rather than just telling you how much fuel you have left, Car IQ can calculate whether you can reach a destination. It does this by combining your mileage information, GPS, and your city maps. It's features like these that show how Car IQ can combine data to improve the experience of owning a car. It detects your personal driving style and provides feedback specifically for your needs. It makes the process of improving your driving fun by setting achievements for you to reach. The integration of social media makes sharing your achievements, drives, locations, etc. even more enjoyable. Driving can be much more than just moving from place to place. Because between the start of a journey and a destination, there is a machine waiting to speak its mind. Car IQ, making cars smarter.
We set out to pioneer the future of robotics. We've unlocked the power of advanced mobile processors that enable us to run cutting-edge AI algorithms on it. With this technology, we created Hover Camera, which allows anyone to capture photos and video from unique perspectives. To use Hover Camera is very simple. Power it on, flip it open like this, and you can hold anywhere. When you let go, it just hovers automatically. With Hover Camera, you can take 13 megapixel photos and 4K video. We've replaced a traditional gimbal with electronic image stabilization so that your shots are always steady. Hover Camera is the first truly autonomous flying camera that anyone can use. And it's powered by our groundbreaking embedded AI technologies.
We built a ton of sophisticated AI algorithms into this small circuit board. It runs a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 2.3 GHz quad-core processor.
This enables us to run complex calculations locally without the need for a remote server.
The AI was developed in such a way that it reduces the learning curve so anyone can operate it out of the box. That's why we've designed a revolutionary user experience that centers around hovering.
Hovering is actually more difficult than just flying.
The reason it hovers so steadily is because it's running optical flow on its downward viewing camera and visual SLAM from the front viewing camera.
That's how it gauges its own speed and position at all times. On top of that, we're running advanced flight control algorithms at 1 kHz. It's so intelligent that it follows people automatically as they move around. It does this without GPS, but instead using real-time facial and body recognition.
This is the most compact and elegantly designed flying camera on the market. It is so small that it could easily fit into a purse.
But in order to make sure that this device is safe, we've geared it up with a suit of armor. This entire protective enclosure is made out of the most durable and lightweight carbon fiber material.
The radical design allows users to grab, throw, and catch hover camera, yet it lets just enough air to flow through without sacrificing the ability to hover or fly.
Tony and I, we both graduated from the Stanford Engineering PhD program. We have about 80 plus people now and a very diverse background. We're fortunate enough to be surrounded by a team of passionate and experienced adventurers who share our vision.
We're setting new standards for aerial robotics.
Hover Camera is always around, capturing those unique moments, enriching your vision of the world.
In 2007, Steve Jobs said that this was the best input device. That was 2007. This is 2015. In 2015, we love our touchscreens. We take them everywhere we go, and why wouldn't we? They're light, they're powerful, and they're gorgeous. But they're not a perfect input device. To fully express ourselves, we need better precision and more space. This is Free, and it takes you way beyond the screen. With Free, you can write or draw on nearly any surface, and your words or pictures will appear on your screen instantly. Free brings us back to a more direct interaction with the world around us, in part by freeing us to use one of our most personal skills, handwriting. Free's sophisticated optical tracking engine can trace anyone's handwriting on nearly any surface to an incredible level of accuracy. There has never been anything like it. Write yourself a note the second you think of it. Jot down a phone number or doodle your next brainchild. Your thoughts and ideas are captured instantly on your device. Free lets you use all of your screen, turning your mobile phone into an incredibly comfortable and efficient mobile creative station. And best of all, Free is personal. So personal, it can even use your handwriting as a highly sophisticated form of biometric identification, making it much harder for someone to steal your identity.
Free is a minimal and classic design with a unique ergonomic shape so that the touch display naturally faces you and you can simply select different functions.
It's quick, it's convenient, it's familiar and personal. It's free.
Three, two, one, boom.
Wow.
Oh, my knee.
I need these. I need these.
Oh, that's crazy.
That's like really good sound too. The music very, very clearly as well.
Oh my God, these are so
Just
cool.
like that.
Can you hear it?
Really? You can't hear it?
No. You can't hear me?
No, not at all.
No way.
Can you hear it?
No.
Oh. What the? What's the brand called?
What is it called?
This is Zungle. Listening to music and answering phone calls are available. Zungle Panther.
Yup.
What are you up to?
Nothing much, just hanging out in my place right now. What's up?
Well, are you coming over?
Yeah, I'll be right over in a little bit.
Okay, I'll see you soon.
Cool, later.
Bone conduction speakers transmit sound waves to the skull via vibrations.